Hi there, I'm Ross Woodfield. Welcome to Blackwell Global's Daily Market Update. Starting off in the US, and the ADP non-farm payroll figures were released, which caused some weakness in the US dollar. The ADP non-farm, which tries to predict the official figures later this week, showed a drop in the number of jobs added in July from 237,000k to 185k. The ADP figures are generally not a great indicator of the official results, so keep a close eye on the release on Friday. The US gained some ground late in the day thanks to a lift in the ISM non-manufacturing PMI, which rose strongly from 56.0 to 60.3. And looking now at oil, and it shed almost 2% in overnight trading, despite the official EIA inventory figures showing a large inventory draw of negative 4.41 million barrels versus the market expectation of negative 1.56 million. Crude gave up the ground on the expectation that refineries will decrease their operating rates, which will only add to the stockpile of crude in the US. The stockpile currently stands at 100 million barrels above the long-term rate. Oil is now just $1.60 a barrel above the 6-year low, found back in March, and it looks like that could be pushed out. And taking a look now at Australia, and we've just seen the employment figures released. Unemployment was a big miss, lifting from 6% to 6.3%, but it was countered by the employment change figure, which shows strong improvement. The Aussie dollar has had a bit of a wild ride since the figures were released, as the market could not decide on which direction it should go, but ultimately it has drifted lower. And finally today, our analyst pick for the day is gold. The precious metal has formed a bearish flag consolidation pattern after the sharp fall that it suffered 2 weeks ago. The commodity is expected to break out of this pattern and push lower, which could see the psychological $1,000 an ounce mark as a target in the near term. Adding to the bearish pressure is the expectation of a rate rise from the Fed in September. And that's all we have time for today. For Blackwell Global, I'm Ross Woodfield. Thanks for watching.